Hi, I'm Lori with Time4Organizing. I'm here at a homeowner's house. She has two beautiful, lovely daughters, 3 and 5 years old. So today, we're going to do a couple of closet makeovers. Kids' closets are a major pain point for a lot of parents, especially for moms. It can get crazy really quick. So with some awesome mDesign products today, we're going to give it a fun makeover. Not a complete closet redo, but it's going to look and work totally different.
Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So it's been a few fun hours, some crazy action in the two closets, but we're happy to show you the reveal. It was really fun. We were able to pull everything out. We started with that. We created some different categories. She needed some separation between her dressy and her everyday clothes. And then we were able to incorporate some awesome clear bins from mDesign, which help categorize those miscellaneous things that were just roaming around. Everything has a place right now. We're very happy. Awesome, it looks great.
I was so excited when I saw my new. Thanks, Lori and mDesign.